What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I am Brett Maverick.
And I'm Dave the Biohacker.
Well, we're happy to have you back here. It's nice to see you familiar faces. The last video, we touched up on a brief introduction into red light therapy, low-level laser therapy, or photobiomodulation. We gave you guys some fun scientific facts. And today we're going to be talking about how red light therapy has the potential to benefit your skin. As we know, or as you may not know, red light therapy penetrates the skin, going through the epidermis, going deeper into your body at a cellular level, from stimulating collagen production to reducing inflammation, wound healing, and helping with hyperpigmentation. Here's Dave.
Just expand on what Brett was saying. The cool thing about red and infrared, specifically infrared, is that it's non-visible light, so we can't see it. We experience it as heat, and it's been found that frequency, that wavelength of light, can penetrate deep. It doesn't just hit the skin like other spectrums of light. It can penetrate beyond that, hitting our organs and hitting us on a cellular level. Research has found that we're noticing that it can have all these benefits for the skin, such as collagen production, healing acne and eczema. It actually can activate and stimulate the mitochondria, which, for those of you that remember biology class, mitochondria is a powerhouse of the cell. It actually creates the energy in order for the cell to function. So when we're talking about the skin, theoretically, what they've found is by the mitochondria in the skin cells working better and optimally, that's why they've been noticing better skin health, getting rid of acne, things like that. Not to mention, when the mitochondria begins to work better, that also coincides with a reduction of inflammation. So there's all these downstream positive effects happening on a cellular level.
And if you were to look at a graph of light from blue, green to ultraviolet to red, the red is the long, low wavelength, which means it's going to penetrate your skin deeper, all the way into your tissues and into your organs. Going back to the last video with Dave and I, we shared in 1967, Andre Mester did a study on rats. Laser light therapy promoted hair growth and wound healing in that study. You guys can check that video out. Myself and the founder of EMR-TEK, Chris, we sat down with him and he shared his story about his whole motivation and inspiration behind why he started this company in the first place.
I have an interesting story behind it because I grew up with vitiligo. I used tanning beds in my room. I had 4-door broadband UVA, narrowband UVB. These are isolated wavelengths of light in the ultraviolet spectrum. In my bedroom since I was 5, I literally couldn't even pull open the door. The doctors essentially told me to do what Michael Jackson did, like carry an umbrella, wear sunscreen, stay out of the sun. That was actually the wrong answer. I ended up repigmenting my skin with this light, with these tanning beds. Sunlight was always better. It actually worked better. I still have some on my feet and hands. It's just, that's normal in the literature. You can't repigment it, so you can show them.
The vitiligo.
The story is pretty epic.
It's hard to see with the red light, but you can see the
Yeah.
discoloration.
And for those of you that don't know, vitiligo is
And there's spots that can't be fully like repigment. Like I have problems like there's just like spots that didn't fully repigment, but I had it all over. I mean, it was pretty extensive.
And that's what motivated Chris to start EMR-TEK. Beautiful stuff. I love you guys. We'll see you in the next one.